Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. And in this video I will be showing you guys how you can create Elphaba on Dress to Impress. For the hair, I'm going to use this braid, and I think I might add in this as well because that is her hair texture. So yeah, if you want a tutorial on the face, let me know. I don't know if I've said that. Let's go to the code section, add in these sleeves, and then add in the skirt as well in black. And then for the rest, I'm just going to use this one and then enable the turtleneck option. And then I'm just going to use this because I kind of like need the buttons. If you don't want the buttons, that's fine. You can like leave it without it. It's just a little bit of a nice touch, I guess. And then for the shoes, I'm going to wear this one. And then for the glasses, you do need to go into VIP, but if you don't have VIP, you don't need to wear the glasses, but it does look more like Elphaba. I'll just color everything according to the color. But yeah, that is how you can create Elphaba on Dress to Impress. You can add the witch's hat as well, but in this this scene, she has not worn a hat yet because Glinda hasn't given the hat to her yet. But I'm just going to scale it down and bring it up a little bit because her hat is a little bit smaller than the actual witch's hat. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Oops, I forgot one thing. These sleeves, I'm sorry. There we go. Just add those sleeves and you're done. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!